Guys, this is how to make cotton candy using the vending machine. Look guys, I accidentally pressed actually the button and then they make it immediately. So this is for Charlotte, right Tali? You like? This one guys. So this is the button and I accidentally press it and then I don't know, it start to make guys.
Why did you press it?
I don't know, I thought it's not working. Look, what they make it? Oh, they make the shape like flower, darling. That's how they make it. Look, and then after that, spin around again. Whoa, become bigger. Like flower. Look guys.
Oh, pencet gambar apa kan?
Nggak tahu ini apa ya? I think ice cream. Then what else? It's ready? I think it's ready. They cut the snack. Oh guys. Oh. Look guys, look first. Wait, I want to wait. Look guys, what this is? So colorful. It's a flower. Wow, guys, look. So big. So you happy, Chan? Yeah. Okay, guys. So that's it. The vending machine, magical cotton candy. So you only need just to press it, and then they will make it. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye. Bye, Cha. Bye, mommy. Bye, mommy.